It's a great initiative. We tried it in 1996 when Kosen was here, but it couldn't work. Now, this executive have brought it out so that we can have our own philosophy, and that's what makes it more important, because the country has been playing football without the identity. Even the selection of players will be very difficult because there are no attributes which will make us pick players according to their positions. But this seminar, I'm sure, will bring out a lot of information. If you look at the composition of people around here with vast knowledge of football, academicians, to mention a few, put our heads together, I'm sure we'll be able to do justice to Zambia.
This is a very important program. I think we needed this program as for a long time. We need it so that we can create our own way of playing, to have our own vision, the philosophy. It's very important because then all of us will be moving in unison, and this is going to definitely help us develop to a level that we want to be. The coaches who are here are very knowledgeable, so that you are not given an opportunity to have a convention of this nature. Now that it has taken place, I can definitely tell you that there will be massive improvement in the way of doing things. What will help mostly is that knowledge will be coming from the top easily up to the grassroots, and that is why it's very important. If you have a school, a credible school, where coaches can go and learn, definitely it will mean that they are going to impact knowledge that is going to help at a very large scale in the country.